Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to cook vegan chicken. We will dive into the exciting world of plant-based alternatives, showing you how to create delicious and satisfying dishes. You will learn about the best ingredients to use, how to season them perfectly, and various cooking techniques to achieve that familiar chicken-like texture and taste. Get ready to transform your kitchen into a vegan culinary haven with these simple steps. Crafting delicious vegan chicken starts with the right ingredients. Many recipes utilize seitan, a wheat gluten product, or firm tofu pressed to remove excess water. For a mushroom-based option, king oyster mushrooms work wonderfully. To achieve that classic chicken flavor, incorporate nutritional yeast for cheesiness, along with a blend of garlic powder, onion powder, and a pinch of sage. Marinating your chosen base for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight, will infuse it with incredible taste. Once your vegan chicken is prepped, it is time to cook. For a delightful crisp, pan-fry pieces in a tablespoon of oil over medium-high heat for about 5 minutes per side, until golden brown. If you prefer a more tender result, baking at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes is ideal. For a smoky flavor, grill your vegan chicken for 3 to 4 minutes per side, achieving beautiful char marks. Your freshly cooked vegan chicken is incredibly versatile. Enjoy it sliced in a vibrant salad, tucked into a hearty sandwich, or as the star of a flavorful stir-fry. It also pairs wonderfully with pasta or rice dishes. To store leftovers, place them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 4 days. When reheating, do so gently in a pan or microwave to ensure it remains tender and delicious, avoiding overcooking.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.